What's up, Brian Tong here, and if there is one service from Apple that's the most talked about right now, it's the Apple Card. And damn, that little thin titanium thing, oh, it looks so pretty. And Apple is partnering with bank Goldman Sachs for the card. It's already in the hands of Apple employees who are testing it right now, so this video is everything that we know about the Apple Card. Now, before we jump into it, this video is brought to you by Squarespace. Whether you need a domain, website, online store, or all three, think it, dream it, make it with Squarespace. All right, now, at the most basic level, yeah, the Apple Card is a credit card, and who needs another credit card? No one, but I do, and you do, if it's a titanium one with your name etched on it. I know it sounds silly, it's ridiculous, but there is genuine excitement around this card. It features a minimalistic design, your name's on the front with an Apple logo and the chip. The back has the credit card stripe, like a credit card should, Goldman Sachs logo and MasterCard logo, and we've seen several pictures of them in the wild, so no surprise, it looks like a credit card. Now, there's no number visible on the front or the back of the card. Apple says it's a whole new level of security, and you can only access the number through the Wallet app on your iOS device. The card comes with a white sleeve with this blended multicolor pattern on the inside. Ooh. As for the rewards, they won't blow you away, but it may help if you buy a lot of Apple products, and that's exactly who they're trying to target. Any purchases from Apple will give you 3% daily cash back. That could be physical products at an Apple store or virtual goods from the App Store, iTunes, and in-app purchases or even Apple subscription services. You get 3% off for literally everything Apple. Now, you get 2% back anytime you buy anything with Apple Pay. So these are things you buy every day, groceries, clothes, gas, but other cards are already more competitive, like there's a Discover card with different categories each month, or Amazon's Prime Rewards credit card that gives you 5% off on all Amazon purchases, which is almost everything. Now, if you buy something from a location that doesn't have Apple Pay, then you'll get 1% back. So basically, don't ever use it for this unless you want to flex that you have a titanium card, like a loser, kind of. So really, the best time to use this card is if you're buying products directly from Apple. You won't have to wait to get your daily cash. It deposits it at the end of every day, so that's nice. And how likely are you to get approved for the Apple Card? According to iMore, they reported that someone with a credit score between 600 to 700 was approved for an Apple Card, but with a credit line of only $1,000. So a broad range of people will likely be eligible for the card, and Apple says interest rates will range from 13.24% to 24.24%. Nothing special there. Now, you'll get access to the virtual card on approval in the Apple Wallet app, and then the titanium card will arrive by mail within 1 or 2 weeks. The thing I'm also most curious and excited about is how it works with the Apple Wallet app to show you detailed information about exactly what you bought and where you bought it, which is a good thing and a bad thing. But if Apple thinks you have a potential fraudulent charge, you'll get a notification that allows you to instantly say it's a problem or okay, that's cool, just write off a notification. Now, it visually shows you a ring graphic for how to manage your balance and interest you need to pay. You can also get it set up for automatic payments weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly, and the Apple Card can give you suggestions to pay a little more to help pay off your balance faster. Now, outside of normal credit card interest, the Apple Card is completely free of fees. No annual fees, no late payment fees, no over limit fees. Look at this entire list. No fees means no fees. And that's a good Apple. Yeah! Come on, I had to throw it in there. Now, the Apple Card is expected to release sometime this summer to the public. Apple and Goldman Sachs employees are testing the card out right now. We still don't have an official release date yet, but the thinking is since iOS 12.4 contains the updated Apple Wallet, it will be released at the same time as that. So let's talk about it. Is this card for you? Are you going to open up another credit card for the Apple Card? Or are you staying away from this thing? Is this titanium card alone worth it to sign up for? The correct answer to that is yes, for me. I mean, even if I'd be the first to admit that's ridiculous, I have a business account at Apple, so using those small discounts and then stacking them on top of the 3% could actually help out a lot of you because I buy all my own stuff from Apple, and yeah, it matters. But I want to hear what you all think about the Apple Card in the comments because you know I read all of them. All right, if you like this video, you know the drill. Thumbs up, subs up, and hit that notification bell. Bing! to get all my latest videos when they drop. And thanks again to Squarespace for sponsoring this video. Squarespace has a wide range of sleek templates to create an online presence and strong identity for yourself. You can create an amazing website with their all-in-one platform. There's nothing to install, patch, or upgrade ever. Plus, you'll also get Squarespace's award-winning 24/7 customer support. Squarespace also makes it easy to transfer your domain name to them. And if you're looking to create an online store, that's something that I'm still looking into doing. You can manage your products, orders, and inventory easily through them as well. So check out squarespace.com for a free trial. And when you're ready to launch, go to squarespace.com/BrianTong to save 10% off your first website or domain. That's squarespace.com/BrianTong. Also, you want to dig deep inside the world of Apple? Check out my weekly Apple Bits XL audio podcast where I dive into the stories that matter. And you can support all of my independent work, including the podcast and more, at patreon.com/BrianTong. All right, Apple Card. The more that I thought about it, I do actually want one in, not really to flex, but I mean, come on, titanium? I know it sounds so silly, but is that cool? So what do you think? I want to know. I asked you for it. Let me hear it. Thanks so much for watching, everybody. Take care and be safe. We'll talk to you soon. Peace.